Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do love reading for Sagittarians. Let's see what's happening in their love life. Currently what their person is going through, what they are going through. Okay, this is going to be a general reading. So it might not resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is the card, first card, Judgment. We'll see your feelings here, we'll see your person's feelings here, and in the middle we will see your mutual feelings. Eight of Wands, Six of Wands, the Chariot in reverse, Four of Pentacles, your person's feelings, Justice, Eight of Pentacles, Two of Wands. Let's see your mutual feelings. This is going to be for Sagittarians, what your person is currently feeling and what are your feelings. It's the Star. Okay. As far as I am seeing this, let me adjust the camera. Okay. As far as I am seeing this, your person might feel as if something wasn't going right. Your person was feeling as if there wasn't equal give and take in this relationship. They were giving too much, or maybe you are not giving that much. They felt as if efforts were not equal from both the sides. They were giving too much into this relationship and you were not kind of indulging wholeheartedly into this relationship. So that is why maybe the differences were caused between you two. I can also see this person feels as if they can't do anything more. They can't give anything more to this relationship to you. They can't love you in more ways. They have done so much. This is their perception. This is their feelings. Okay. They might even be missing you. You might be into a long distance relationship with this person. You might be dealing with an earth sign or fire sign or Libra specifically. Okay. Another fire sign or earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag or the Libra. Okay. I'm definitely seeing this person lost trust and faith in this relationship. They thought as if they were giving too much and they were not getting equal. Now they are just sitting and wanting you to take the initiative, or they want you to take the first step. Maybe they want you to give into this relationship. They are not wanting to be vulnerable. They just don't want to open their hearts now. They want to close their heart. They have just closed their heart. They don't want to seem needy. They don't want to come off as they are so needy. They are so they want you or they need you. Okay, this is what this person is feeling right now. And as far as I'm seeing on your side, you just want to communicate to them. You will be receiving communication from this person very soon, maybe a week or so. Okay, for many of you. I'm also seeing there is a huge decision that is needed to be taken on your part. Maybe they are also waiting for you to take that big decision. Maybe many of you are dealing with a person who is already into marriage. Okay, or you want them to leave this marriage or officially get divorced and then come back to you. Okay, or maybe they are thinking as if you have to take a big decision to take this relationship to the next level. Okay, but you are not taking any decision. You are analyzing the pros and cons and still you are not coming to any decision. You are not being able to take any decision is what I am seeing here. You're definitely, many of you are going to receive some sort of communication from this person. Many of you. Let me be very clear about that. Many of you are going to receive some sort of communication. I'm also seeing you both are missing each other. You both are waiting onto each other. You both want to, no one is taking the step and you both want to talk to each other. But you are more casual about everything, and they are more like, they feel as if they were the only one who were giving love, attention, pamper, care, and you are not giving anything. You are not contributing anything to this relationship. It is what they feel. It is their perception. Okay. They want you to take a huge decision. It might be possible you are already into a relationship or a committed relationship, and they want you to take that big decision and leave that person and come back to them. Many of you, okay, for many of you it is possible. The mutual energy is the star, which is very positive. I feel this person and you both are still hopeful about this relationship to work out. You both want this relationship to work out. You both want to have this relationship. You both want to give this relationship a chance. Okay, let's pull out some more cards. The Sun, Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, Queen of Swords, Five of Swords, Four of Swords, the Moon. As far as I am seeing here, you have an obstacle from your side. Definitely you have an obstacle. Maybe there are family issues, maybe you are into a committed relationship, maybe you are married to someone, or you have child with someone, and you have to take this big decision to leave that person and come back to this person. Okay. I'm seeing they are feeling as if you have defeated them. You have broken their trust, or you are not taking that decision, and this way you are hurting their feelings. Okay, this is their perception. I'm also seeing to communicate with this person, it is not going to be easy. There will be ups and downs, there will be obstacles, there will be lack of trust, there will be lack of clarity when this communication will happen between you both. Okay, and you are not being able to take this decision because someone is interfering, someone is brainwashing you, someone is trying to change your mind about this person, someone is trying to just make your relationship hell. Someone is definitely interfering on your side, keeping you in dark, not telling you everything. And I'm also seeing someone is not letting you to get back with this person. The problem is on your side as far as I'm seeing them. With your person, I'm seeing everything is fine. They love you. They want you to take this decision because they love you. They want you to take this huge decision because they don't want to be a third person in this relationship. Okay. For many of you, this person feels happy, feels optimistic, feels positive when they are with you. Okay. And I think they want to offer you something brand new. They want to offer their feelings, their love, their cup of love to you. But this time they are just waiting for you to initiate everything. Okay. Sagittarians, a lot of work has to be done on your side. Okay. Your person is okay. They are okay with their decisions. And I'm also seeing they are waiting for some sort of clarification for you. They want some sort of clarification from your side. Okay. And with the mutual energy clarifying with Seven of Swords, even if you both are hopeful about this relationship, you both are hurt. Look at this card, Seven of Swords. Definitely you both are hurt. You have lost trust. Maybe you were not right with this person in past. This roles can be switched. Okay. So however it may be resonating with you, please, you can switch the roles. This can be your person's reading and this can be your reading. So just switch roles as it resonates. Let's see what universe has message for you. What message does universe have for Sagittarians? We will pull out only one card for universe message. A lot of work has to be done on this relationship. Okay. Okay, humor. laugh at yourself, lighten your heart, let nothing steal your happiness. I'm seeing definitely you need to take things very light-heartedly. You are taking things very, like, you're not being comfortable being vulnerable to this person, and this is taking a toll on your overall life. Just laugh it out, just be very casual about things. Don't be always be serious and always be crying over spilt milk. Just laugh. Sometimes you need to laugh and heal yourself, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, so just follow this guidance of universe and you will be all right. Okay, so this was it. This was the reading for Sagittarians. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like, comment, share. See you in next video.